Hello, welcome to Rob's review of the Knockrow Tesla Supercharger. Well, we've arrived here at Knockrow, Macadamia Castle, though unfortunately it looks like it's closed because we're bussing for a toilet. It doesn't appear to be anywhere to go to the toilet. Here we are, Knockrow Supercharger, and the weather is crap. I have my list, let's just go through this and see what this is like. Okay, location-wise, not that far from the highway, about 3 or 4 kilometres off the main highway, not too bad, very easy to find. Close to Byron Bay, that sort of area. So that's a plus. Give it about 9 out of 10 for that. Next up we have food. Nothing. It doesn't appear to be anything anywhere nearby. We have the wildlife sanctuary here right behind it, which I'm not sure they do serve food or not because it's closed at the moment due to weather, unfortunately. But they do say they have food, so I'm assuming food is available during operating hours. Otherwise, nothing at all. Bring your own. Access. Well, yes, access 24 hours, looks good. Just literally, you drive up, the main roads are right there. It's like, you can't miss it. It's a good access, 24 hours, not a problem there. Kid friendly. Well, yes, it's a wildlife sanctuary. Kids love animals. So during operating hours, then yes, kids have got something to do. And so have the adults. Check out the wildlife, which is always something exciting and fun. Long vehicle towing, yes. This is one of the few, or the only one I've ever seen that has a dedicated bay up there for charging with a tow when you're towing a vehicle or a long vehicle, so that is awesome. That's the way that's parked there. You got to looks like you got to drive in nose first though to get that charger. Shelter. Well, I'm under a solar roof right now, which looks like it powers the chargers. There's also slow AC chargers over there. There's a Tesla destination charger in that far corner. But if you're supercharging, the cars itself, as you can see, no cover at all. So you're going to get wet like we are right now. Phone coverage. I've got 4 dots of 4G. So phones still work out here. You can send your Twitter messages and Facebook or whatever, all good. Ease of finding, very easy. The navigation on the car takes you straight to the place. If you're on the right road, you're going right past, you can't miss them from the street. So ease of finding, 9 out of 10. So overall, Cybertruck rating for this charger, I'd give it probably a 9 out of 10 actually. This is actually a pretty good one, apart from the weather and the fact that everything's closed. So thank you for watching and catch the next one. Bye.